In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a Trust Wallet account. So you are going to download your Trust Wallet, go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. When you are here, use the search option and then search for Trust Wallet. So it should bring you here. You can now download it. There are over 50 million people using this. So install it. So when it is done downloading and installing, you can now click to open. So what you are going to do is to click on create new wallet, and you are going to enter your passcode. This is the code that you will use in accessing your Trust Wallet. So no one should have this passcode at all, no matter how close you are to the person. So I am going to enter my passcode. It's 6 digits. So you are going to re-enter the passcode again. Now if your phone has biometric, you can use it. So click confirm and then use your biometric. So by just doing this, your Trust Wallet is ready. So you can now fund your wallet as they are suggesting it for you, because if you have any exchange installed on your phone such as Binance, Coinbase or any other crypto exchange, it will automatically pick it like the way you are seeing it here. I have Coinbase and Binance installed already, but if you don't want to go through this process, let's click on the skip. Now this is how you are going to see your Trust Wallet. This is how it will appear. This is the home page. Now there is nothing like maybe using your email or using whatever. No, what you just do here is to come to the part written main wallet, click on it, rename it by clicking on this dot, and then you are going to see the option here. So maybe you can rename this one as 10. So it's a 10-year investment wallet. You can name it like that, which means whichever crypto that you store in this, you are going to keep it for 10 years before coming back to it. Okay, so you can name it to whatever you want, maybe for you according to the name of your children. You can name them like that. So each child that you are using to invest for them, you can name that. Each child will bear his or her own wallet. So when you are done, you are going to click this tick here, and it is named already for you like that. Now you can add more wallet according to the names as I've told you already. So you can click create new wallet. So when you come to the create new wallet, you will click on create. So your wallet is now ready again. You can click on skip, and you see there is another main wallet, one that is written for you there. You can now click and then edit the name as well. Maybe you can name it according to that of your wife. You can write wife wallet. Then click on this particular mark, and it is saved. Now there is something I will want you to note about creating a Trust Wallet. Anytime that you lost your recovery password or your recovery words or recovery phrases, no one on earth can help you, not even Trust Wallet. No one will know what that thing is. So if you are a careless person, it's better you should not even save anything in Trust Wallet or in any type of wallet regarding cryptocurrencies. Okay, you can use this and back it up by clicking this. When you click on it, you see the option to back up. Your secret phrase will be backed up on Google Drive, or you can do the manual. So when you click on backup, it will show you the secret phrases. Okay, so you can back them up. So let's click on the manual. So you are to accept these terms that Trust Wallet does not have access to this, so they can't help you if you forget it. Don't save this in any digital format. So we'll accept and then click on continue. Now once you do that, it is going to bring out this set of 12 words for you. Write them down on a paper, as you cannot even screenshot it. If you try screenshotting it, it will block it. Okay, so you can snap it with another phone and then upload it to your email, or you can simply write it down in any paper format. Write it on a paper and then store it somewhere that is safe. When you want to recover, that is what they will ask you, what is your secret phrase, okay, or recovery phrase. So when you enter this number, they can tell you the first recovery phrase you will write, the second recovery phrase you will write. Like that, you'll be writing them. Once you get them complete, your wallet will be recovered for you, and whichever amount of money or cryptocurrencies that you have, you will see it will now be recovered for you. Now if you forget it, it's gone forever. No one can help you with it. We have heard of the story of some people that have lost. Someone lost over thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars because of this, because he had some amount of Bitcoin and he forgot the secret phrase, and the hard drive that had that already in it, he had thrown the laptop away. Okay, so this is one thing you have to remember. This, you must not forget this. So if you have already seen it, click on continue. Now they want to test that you are able to write it down. So they want to see that, okay, the first word, what was the first word among all these ones? What was the fourth word? What was the seventh word? What was the 10th word? So you are going to enter, select the fourth word, the seventh word, and the 10th word. Once you are done, click confirm. And if it is correct, it means they are shown now that you have backed it up. So you can see the manual one is active. You can decide to click on this to back it up to your Google Drive. So click on back up to Google Drive. All your email addresses attached to your device will be popped up, and you are going to select which of your email address do you want to back up to your Google Drive. Select it and it will back it up for you. So that is just how to back up. Once you back up all of these things, you are safe. So even if you uninstall this, or you lost your device, or you are deleting the app, or you uninstall it, you can recover it any day, anytime. Even if it's after 20 years, you can recover it, and whatever coin is inside, you will still see it intact. So that is how you can create a Trust Wallet account. If you want to send crypto from the Trust Wallet maybe to another exchange like Binance, I have made a video about that. It will appear at the top right hand corner. And if you want to fund it with USDT from your bank account, I have also made a video about it. It will appear at the top right hand corner. And if you are funding it from an exchange or from any other place such as Binance again or Coinbase, the video will appear at the top right hand corner. If you have any other question regarding how you can create a Trust Wallet and also use it to send or to receive cryptocurrencies, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.